So here two things will be affected. Firstly, the cash, and the other one is debtors, from whom we have created a right to receive in previous transaction. Now, firstly, cash increases, and the other one is that debtor decreases. Here you have seen that cash is also an asset for a business, and debtors are also assets of the business because it is an expectation that we are going to receive some money from our customer in the future time period. So in this transaction, one asset has been increases and the other one has decreases.